Good morning, my dear lovely kids. Today I am going to teach you about the sounds of letter M N O P. M. Mango. M mango. M monkey. M monkey. M mama. M mama. Yes, and now look here. Like this you have to write M. Okay? Next. N. What is the sound of N? N, nest. N, nest. N, neck. N, neck. N, nose. N, nose. Yes. And now look here. Like this you have to write. Okay? Now next. O. O, orange. O, orange. O, octopus. O, octopus. And like this you have to write O. Okay? Now next. What is the sound of P? What is the sound of P? Peepa. Peepa, parrot. Peepa, parrot. Peepa, pink. Peepa, pink. Peepa, poo. Peepa, poo. Yes. And like this you have to write P. Okay? Don't touch it to the upper line. Don't touch it to the upper line. Okay? Thank you.